In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the missing photo gallery on your Samsung Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your gallery app icon has vanished, then it's likely hidden in a folder or disabled rather than deleted, as it is a core system application. So what I want to do is long press in an empty area on my screen, and I'm going to see settings on the bottom. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on that. Then just scroll down, and I'm going to see hide apps on home and app screens. Go ahead and click on it, and then just go ahead and find your gallery application. And if it's selected, that's going to be in hidden. So what I want to do is unselect it right there, and then it should be, back on your page. And if it's not, then it might just be disabled. So what I want to do is go over to my settings application. Once I'm here, scroll down until I find apps. Then when you're in apps, all I want to go ahead and do is find my gallery. And if it's not here, then what I could do is press the little search icon, try and search for it, or I can go to the top, press that little icon right there, and then literally only search for disabled applications. And yeah, if it's here, then you can click on it and then enable it at the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.